Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm sharing a very cute, fun hair tutorial with you, and hairstyle you might want to try out for your little ones at home. So let's get to it without wasting too much of our time. So the first thing I did was to part the hair into two from the middle. Then I applied my hair gel. Then I started just, parting it out for me to get a straight line. Then I continued styling it. So you might have seen me applying a little bit of oil to the rubber bands. I did that because it is very important to add some oil to rubber bands so that it will keep their roots moisturized firstly, and for the second reason, so that it will not so that the rubber band will not pull their hair out when you are ready to lose the hair. So that step is very important. So after I've done that, I just continue styling the hair, as you can see right here in this video. And at this part, as you can guess right, I am almost done because for today there's not so much time to keep styling, so I had to do something very fast. Then to beautify it more, I added this little bit of yarn on it. So if you don't want to have yarn, I like to use yarn because it is simple, it is easy to do and it is reusable. But however, if you don't have yarn, you can always use any extension of your choice. Then I added a bulky part to just braid the hair so that it can give me the strength and thickness that I'm going for. So this part is pretty unnecessary, as I always say in my tutorials. If the hair you have is pretty longer or thicker, you don't have to add anything. So moving on, I had to trim the little bit excesses. Then I moved on to the other part, which is just me copying what I did in the first one to the second one. So from the back, I just gathered it. Then I secured it with the rubber band. Then I added this strand from here to it. So I'm almost done with this hairstyle. It is pretty easy and super convenient to do. Then after I've just combined everything together, I braided her hair, then I secured it with an extra strand of yarn so that it will not pull out. Then for the second part, I repeated the same step for the next part as well. So for this part, I'm almost done. So the next part that I'm going to is to add a little bit of Afro pony, which is completely not compulsory. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But because I wanted a little bit of volume and a little bit of just funky hairstyle, I added this pony to it. So if you want the tutorial of this pony, it's on my page. You can check it out. So I added the two parts on it. So another thing I want to add is, if you get this ponytail maybe from the store, you might want to trim it out so that it will fit, so that it will not be too big. But for this one, I made it by myself, which gave me the exact size that I wanted. So for this point, I am done with this part. I just try to lay her edges that she does not have. And I love this kind of hairstyle. She loves it too. Apart from the fact that they are super fast to make, they are simply adorable and very cute. So this is what she looks like. She does not like to take pictures. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.